honest, so I'm literally testing it out. So far it's like 3 feet, 4 feet. I'm trying to put this
Jeez.
tube to go down. Whoa. There's also soot, like mud, underneath, you know?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna drown this. Oh, mud. Yeah, it's about 5 feet right there.
Dang.
Of water depth, plus 2 or 3 feet of like, you know what I'm talking about, mud.
Yeah.
See, I'm sinking the hose down.
Oh, jeez.
How much deeper can it go? It seems to be the same depth than what's here. Whoa. Oh shit. I have to balance on this hose because everything else is just mush. Damn it, we got a hawk.
I don't see
Wow,
him.
look at this black stuff just coming up.
I don't see him. Jeez, I'm scared.
I still got 6 inches or so before I go down.
Well, you're 5'11", so.
I mean, I'm going down like quick though.
Oh no.
Into the mud. So I gotta. Oh, that stinks. I think this is about as deep as I want it to go. Get this shit anyway. Whoa. Okay. Retrieving. So I'm gonna push this whole thing forward. Getting slowly stuck in the mud. Okay, so this is the other side. I'm building up a little cascade here. I'm not working with anything yet, just installation of the pipe. All right, same deal. All right, what I need is for this hose to go down. I need to hold it down with something right here, like a big boulder, so it doesn't come back up.
Yeah.
You're not strong enough to bring me a big boulder. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. All mud. I'm gonna hold it with this thing. You know? And I'm gonna go get a big boulder. I pinched it with a fork.
Nice.
Hold the hose down, and then we'll put like a big piece of whatever. I might have a couple pieces. I'm done, I'm finished, so let's see. Here goes nothing. You see the other side? The little cascade? I hope it works, because I worked really hard. There you go!
Whoa!
Pushing a little strong right now, but I'll think it'll slow down a bit. Slow down.
Whoa! It feels like a waterfall. That's cool.
It'll slow down once the pipe clogs up a little. It'll slow down, make it look more natural. Plus, I'm gonna hide this with a couple boulders.
Yeah.
But I think we're done for tonight. That is it, my friends. Stay tuned. I'll see you on the next one. Yep. All done. We added a rock to slow down the stream from gushing straight out, and it's still providing the oxidation. Yeah, what we're looking for, but with a more natural effect.
Yeah. It's a pretty cool waterfall over there.
Look at this flimsy gate. It's not even locked in. Visual representation of the wall you can't cross. They want to cross it, but they can't. No crossing. Sorry. You guys gotta stay inside. Yeah. Stay inside, mister. Check it out. Yeah. It's done. Just wanted to show you some bullfrogs that we see all over the place. You see him right there? He's right there. Hold on, let me switch the camera. Check it out. This guy's pretty big.
You guys are the ones yelling all night.
Yeah, he's huge. He's like a softball size. Pretty cool. Oh, check it out. There's different species. A grass frog. See, he's different, like in colors and stuff.
He's so cute.
He's a cute one. Yeah, there's a lot more living critters here. Snakes.
So much noise.
We had a muskrat run across the field here last night. So yeah, they're everywhere. So okay, so here it is. Look, it looks really inconspicuous, right?
Yeah.
It is.
It's very natural.
Oh, they're all here too, frogs. Yeah, natural is the idea. I kind of walked here a lot, so the grass got disturbed, but it'll bounce back. It all this will grow it a little bit.
It looks really good.
Yeah, but it's yeah, it does look a little more.
Maybe you could put a little bit more rock over here.
Yeah, I will. It'll slow down a bit
Fill
too.
it in a little bit.
I just do want to do it, do the job and oxidize the water, and it really is. Now you can see the bluegills popping up. We just saw a batch on the other side. Maybe I should return.
All that green stuff is gone.
Yeah, look at that. That looks like a natural body of water. There they are. See them? There they are. My bluegill family. Haha, they're still here. Bunch of them. Doing well. They made it obviously through the winter, so that's good news. All right. Look, I'm not the only one enjoying the pond. Ha ha ha. Foraging and grazing and getting our nutrients on, staying strong. Oh, there's the new and improved pond. Check it out. Let me show you what's about to happen. Check it out, my friends. Oh, look at this mess. These chickens. There's a whole pile of eggs down here. I'm gonna show you. Hold on, because they're outside so they won't beat me up. But look at all this. Look at all these eggs buried down there. Look at them. What the heck? Look at that stuff. There's probably 12.5. So it looks like we're gonna have 12 of ducklings coming up soon. Peace and tranquility. So what do you guys think? Waterfall, huh? In place? I think it looks great. I mean, we addressed the nature look, but also the whole thing of being, oxidizing and doing what it's supposed to do. I think it looks great. I hit the pump right in, so it's accessible, but it's far enough to grab some water without the mud. Yeah, tons of mud. You saw me walking in there?
Yeah.
I kid you not. There's like this much water and about this much actual soot, like mud and this decomposed vegetation that has basically piled up over the years. This will all now have a chance to break down a little bit quicker because the pump is oxidizing the water, so the water will be cleaner. You could see the bluegills already surfacing and such. That wasn't possible just a week ago. So it's working, my friends. I'm glad. I'm really, excuse me, I'm glad that it's working, and stay tuned. We're gonna do a little more, upgrades and updates. So that's the plan.
Subscribe.